Okay, now, to understand vector in a story mode, vector actually means if Aaron is here today, is at C today, this is the instruction you ask him to walk so that he can reach D. Okay, so he can reach D. So you got to tell him, how many steps must he walk horizontally? Here. How many steps must he walk vertically? Below. So that he can reach D. So let's start. You cannot say, you walk slant, you walk slant. Wait here, you walk slant upwards, you will reach D. Cannot. You must tell him specifically, horizontal, how many steps? Vertically, how many steps? Understand? So in this case, horizontally is 1 to 13, and the answer is 12. And where do you write the 12? On top. The error is recorded. So you walk 12 because you want to walk from left to right. 12 steps horizontally. Then not enough. 12 means Aaron will reach here. He didn't reach D. What must he do? Aaron must walk upward by 5. So this is 5. Can you picture this? This is 5. So this is 5. Okay? So, I continue by helping Aaron to calculate the number of calories he burned by walking this distance. How do you calculate the distance? What must I do? Square root. So square root what? Tell me the 13. So this is 13. Now your turn. Huh? Units behind, eh? There's a units behind, right? Okay, your turn. To really test your understanding, show me you can calculate DC correctly. I pause now. You continue. Good question. Is there such thing as arrow facing this way? No. Instead of arrow facing left, I change the sequence. So I change from D to C, D to C, and then I walk like that. So this one means what? I start from where? I start from D. I end at C. Okay? Is it same? So now, Darren will start at D and at C. How do I show this on the diagram? So Aaron is blue, Darren is red. So I start. I will end here. I will end. Darren, you help me. How to bring Darren home? How to bring Darren from here? Start. How to go back home? Can I just walk 12 again? Can. You see, if I walk 12, I will walk right 12. Wrong. Very good. I will walk negative 12. I'm here. How to go home? Negative 5. Very good. So, this thing here, I cannot write 12, 5. Cannot write 12, 5. What must I write? Negative. 5, 12 is on top or below? Thank you. 5 is below. Okay? So now I got this already. So it's different. But how to calculate length? Oh, because I square root. I will put negative 12 square. I will put negative 5 square. But the answer happened to be 13. What can you conclude about CD and DC? Can I say CD equal DC? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Is CD equal DC? Think no. Because direction different. Excellent. Okay? Hey, your clap sincere a bit, can? Better. So, this is wrong. This is not the same. Because It is same magnitude. Thank you, Kevin. Different direction. Okay, everyone copy down. You can remove the question mark because it's no longer the same, and the reason simple. Same magnitude, the length is the same. Different direction. The direction is different. Because Aaron is trying to go school, Darren is trying to go home. Right? Aaron is trying to go up, going school. Darren, forget the EZ-Link pass, want to go home. By the way, don't be late. 3 times already. Oh, sorry. I got so angry. Don't be late again. I don't care whether the bus is early or late. You take the earlier bus. All done? Then we go on to the next page. Okay, turn over to the next page. Can? Done, huh? Okay, done. Okay, let's go to the next page. Now, so, I want to try this question, but before that, I learn a new thing again. This thing is called negative vector. Okay? Now, what does negative vector talk about? Negative vector talks about same magnitude, but what? Opposite direction. Okay? So my question is, earlier on in the previous page, is CD and DC opposite negative vector? Yes, right? CD and DC is actually the negative vector. Now let's look at this particular question. Now your turn. Your turn to do what? Your turn to tell me what is these 2 number. I got 2 magic number here. I got 2 magic number here. Can you try now? 5 means I walk 5 to the left or right? Right. Okay. So this 5 means I walk 5 to the right. This 3 means you move 3, plus 3 means you move 3 up or down? Up. Then cannot. I move 5, I move up. Is here, B is here. Wrong. I must move down. Follow? Again, 5 right, 3 down. Then I reach B, right? So what must I write here? This is wrong. This is 3 down. So what do I write? It should be negative. It should be negative 3. It's not clear. Negative 3. Clearer? Okay. So wrong, So AB, I write again. So AB is equal to 5 negative 3. Yeah, right again. Now your turn. Tell me BA. I walk left, right, up, down. BA. So what do I write? Negative 5. Negative 5. Then after that? So what do I write below? 3. Is it correct? Pooja, check. Pooja, I'm here. I follow what Tavis tell me. Tavis say you walk negative 5. 1, 2, left or right? Left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm here. Next one, positive 3. I move up or down? Up. 1, 2, 3. I reach A. Correct? Can you understand? So this is negative 5, 3. Now, I want you to look at AB and BA. What is same but different? The number seems like the same, but the what is different? The sign. This is 5, this is negative 5. This is negative 3, this is 3. So this is called negative vector. Clear? Alright, so negative vector means the sign is the same, but the number is the same, but the sign is different. So today you are going to learn negative vector. Tell me, is this correct? Wrong. What must I add so that it will be correct? Dixon, what must I add so that it will be correct? Where? Where do I add? Right, left, or doesn't matter? The one on the right. The correct answer is both are correct. You can write left, you can write right, you can write either side. Doesn't matter. Okay? Now, same thing here. If I were to write A, is this equal? Is this equal? You see, this one I change the alphabet, so it's equal, right? Negative then is equal. This one is very hard to change the alphabet. I cannot write A like that, right? So is this equal? Yes, sir. They are not equal. Why? Because this is simply a negative vector. This is a positive vector. This is same number but different direction. So they are not equal. Can follow? Can, Okay, let's move to example 1. Let's move to example 1. Let's start. Oh, there's a blank on top. There's a blank on top. So, this A is a vector. So, this A is actually A underscore curly. Is called the negative vector of A. And is denoted as like that. So what the whole sentence means is, if I want to call negative vector, very simple. I just put a negative A and then I put a curly underscore. Now let's go to the question, because a lot of you are closing your eyes. Quite stuffy, yeah? Okay, let's start. Column vector A, like that. B, like that. If A equal to B, find the value of X and Y. So how do we start? Closing your eyes. Not writing. Come, write. A underscore curly equal B underscore curly. So if I know A is equal to B vector, can I copy A here? Can, So very quickly, before more of you sleep. X minus 2, 3 minus Y, 4 minus X, Y minus 6. Can I have the do I know what to continue from here? This one means they are equal vector. Equal vector means what? Top and top, same or different? Same. Bottom, same, right? So what? You can write out two equations from here. So the circle is equals to the circle. You can write X minus 2 equal 4 minus X. Equation 1. What about the bottom? The bottom and the bottom is the same. 3 minus Y equals Y minus 6. Equation 2. Solving. Quickly, X equals to something. Y equals something. A part 1. Part 2. Tavis? What number? Length of time on the screen? Answer is 3. X is 3. Thank you. Y is 4.5. Thank you. Tavis, the recording what time? 7. How to do part 2? Part 2 says I want negative A. Can. You write 9 over 2 can. You write 4.5 can. Negative A. Is this vector? Yes or no, Darren? Is this a vector? Why? Why don't know? No curly. Very good. What must I do? Curly. Up or down? Down. So write curly. Darren, what do I write? What must I write? Bracket. Minus bracket. What do I write inside? What is A? What is A? On top, what is A? X minus 2. What is X? Huh? 3 minus 2. What is the bottom? 3 minus 4.5. What's the answer? Negative? Wrong. Oh, there's a... Huh? What's the answer? Really cannot do? 3 minus 2 is? Oh, press calculator. So I copy the minus outside. This is actually 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 4.5, negative 1.5. But there's a negative outside. So what's the answer? Thank you. Wake up. You are still recorded. Huh? Okay, go to part 3. So far can follow. Minus 1, 4.5. Go to part 3. What do I mean by this? What do I mean by this? It says proof. The modulus means what? Flip. The length. I want to find the length. So how do you prove? You must say modulus, the magnitude of A equal what number? The magnitude of B equal what number? Then you see the number, is it same or different? Let's try. Square root. Nixon, help me. What number must I put here? 1. Actually, good practice, I will put minus 1 because it's negative. What number do I put? Say again. Plus 1.5 squared. Thank you. Now, I tell you a trick. You don't even have to calculate the answer. You just tell me square root inside what number. Oh, why I put negative? Because, sorry. Nixon, what is Egan saying? Because I copy here, which is wrong. This is negative A, right? So, if I look at A underscore is actually 1, then negative 1.5. Am I correct, Nixon? Because just now, earlier up, I call it, this is actually negative A. So, what I do here is this is positive, this is negative. But Nixon, what is the answer that I press before the square root? Before the square root. 3.25. Do I need to square root and press a number? No need yet. Because I just need to show B vector, what is it? Maybe I jump a step. Before I even find out the magnitude, maybe I want to find out what is B. Eileen, tell me B vector, what is the number, top and bottom? Maybe Eileen, you want to tell me is 4 minus what? 4 minus 3. Bottom? 4.5 minus 6. Same. A lot of you telling me same. Yes, it's the same. But I want presentation. I need you to know how to present. You cannot write same. So what must you write? This modulus, then what must you write? Square root. Then how do you continue? 1 square plus negative 1.5 square root 3.5. I know it's the same, but how do I present the answer? What must I write? Since A modulus equals to B, I say modulus, A magnitude equals to B magnitude, therefore proven. Understand? Because both are 3.5 square root, right? So you write therefore, like that equal like this. Right? Proven. Oh, my handwriting so big. Totally no space. What happened? Sit down and stretch. Okay. Yes, 13.